I said that 10,000 सूत्रास जिसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं फॉर्मूलास. अंडरस्टूड. फॉर्मूला समझते हैं. लाइफ का एक फॉर्मूला होता है सस्टेन करने के लिए किसी के लिए भी कोई सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर. तो देयर आर 10,000 यस सुत्तास और सूत्रास. एंड देन आई टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस आल्सो डील्स विद द फर्स्ट बुद्धा एंड हिज कंपनी. तो उन्होंने सूत्र किससे रिलेटेड है, किसने बनाया, हु हैज मेड the Buddhist itself, that the what I said that Buddha and their what is a great disciple has made, and then it contains over 10,000 sutras related to Buddha and his close companions. तो ये सारे कितने बनाए गए जिससे कि आप you can become a better person to what is given us things to the society. So suppose you started following 10,000 sutras, so you can be able to become a kind of what, best Buddhist, and you can be able to spread it. You can be able to spread it. Again I said that it contains over 10,000 sutras or suttas related to Buddha and his close companions. When they will follow this kind of large number of formulas, your life will completely change, and thereafter you will start following. और ये ऐसा तो नहीं है कि it will be in a day, it can be a long process, and thereafter your enlightenment help in the others. So I said that not enlightenment but better knowledge. This also deals the first Buddhist council which held shortly after the Buddha's death, dated by the majority of this. तो इसको थोड़ा सा इसने थोड़ा सा सूत्रास ने किसको also include किया है यस्टेर में. Sutta Pitaka has also included, deals with the sum about the first Buddhist council जो कि already mentioned किस में है, in the which one, Khandaka. It has been mentioned in Khandaka. Yes, you remember that Khandaka के कुलावग्गा. In which part? Khandaka में महावग्गा नहीं, कुलावग्गा. And then after I am talking about the reason I said that Digha Nikaya. It is consists of long discourse. Explanation दिया जा रहा sutras. It consists of I said that Digha Nikaya is consist of long. Number नहीं याद रखना. Simple आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. What is this? Long discourses. And thereafter I said the Madhyama Nikaya. This is the middle leg. And then Samyukta, it is connected discourses. जो आप कई चीजें बताते हैं तो it is a connected one. And then Anguttara comprises the numerical. Anguttara means छोटे छोटे अंग को बांटोगे तो क्या निकलेगा, numericals. How many अंग we have? बॉडी में हड्डियां कितनी हैं? 206 और 208. चलो numerical value पता है ना. So I said that Anguttara, I said that comprises the numerical discourses in over so many sutras. So numerical Anguttara कि आपके body and everything should be what it is in a good for long time. And the Khuddaka Nikaya comprises minor collections. Understood? So which one we have seen, tell me? Sutras क्या है? What is the sutras? It is for whom? Sutras are more than 10,000, and you can say around 10,000, and it is for whom? Yes, yes, tell me. And his close companions. He is simple. And what are this? And इसमें साथ साथ में क्या ऐड किया गया है? Something for. यदि टीचर नहीं अच्छा होगा तो स्टूडेंट कैसे अच्छे हो सकते हैं? दूसरे को सिखाया कैसे जा सकता है? How do the things can what is gonna go for long, and it can increase to the largest area. So I said that ये समझ में आ गया Sutta Pitaka. And then I said that Digha Nikaya, long discourses. Then the Majjhima Nikaya, middle courses. Then the Samyukta, connected courses. Anguttara, numerical. And then minor collection and discourses. I said that Khuddaka. Then there is coming of Dhamma. Which one I said that? Abhidhamma Pitaka. Which Pitaka I am talking about? Abhidhamma Pitaka. And in this I said that deals with the philosophy and doctrine of Buddhism appearing in the suttas. जब वो डिस्कोर्स देते थे तो उसके अंदर कई सारी फिलॉसफी थी. Yes, it's not. तो जब when they are giving, and how many philosophy that they have given? How many philosophy that they have given? अरे कितने सूत्रास दिए इन्होंने? 10,000. Yes or not? So that they become good and they can preach to the society very well. और ये जब बोलते थे, the someone is there, जैसे हमने वहां पे देखा था कि पूर्वज are there, there what is na someone is what? मतलब दिमाग में लिखे जा रहे हैं, बाद में उसको क्या किया गया? अंगमा, अंगा. पूर्वज दिमाग में देखते गए, and then it has been converted into what? Angas. और यहां पे भी सुत्त पिटाका, it has been given, the discourses and explanation is going on. by his Buddha and his close companions, so that they can learn and then they can give it to the others. Yes or not? They can give it to the others. So then the world can become, the problems of sorrow can be removed. And this sutras has been recited by someone. And thereafter what we have been saying that Abhidhamma Pitaka deals with the philosophy and doctrine of Buddhism appearing in the suttas. अब उसके अंदर क्या फिलॉसफी है, क्या डिक्ट्राइन है इन ऑल दिस सूत्रास. सूत्रास का मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस टू ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर. इट इज नॉट सूत्रा. सूत्रा मीन्स आपके लाइफ के हर एक प्रॉब्लम का, जैसे आपके ऑपरेशन होता है तो इसके लिए these are the things that we have to do. So always there is a new things are coming for the different things. So these are the sutras for their disciples, for their buddhas, for the whole sangha. And then I said that, और जो उसको follow करने लग जाएगा, they started becoming the part of sangha itself. There's lots of, I said that, people को लोग तक ये पहुंचे. So complete sutras are there, and that is those discourses. Understood? Those discourses कभी कभी क्या थे? Digha discourses. That is known as the Digha Nikaya. There is some middle discourses, known as there is what? Majjhima, and there is some connected discourses. That is known as what? Samyukta. And some it is related to what is numericals. Understood? जिसको वो लोग उसको भी रखते थे अपने दिमाग में. That is Anguttara. And then I said that, next one I said Khuddka, which one I said minor. And then I said that appearing the how, this is an Abhidhamma Pitaka deals with the philosophy and doctrine of, तो बुद्धिज्म में जो बताया गया है appearing in the Sutta Pitaka, उसकी philosophy है, उसकी doctrine है, उसकी understanding है, उसकी meaning है. I said that however it does not contain a systematic philosophic treatise, लेकिन यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा problem ये हो गया कि there is a systematic philosophical treatise, books जो बनाना था वो नहीं बन पाया, because somewhere there is a lots of discourses are there, incomplete Jainas. And therefore we can there, and they have been completed into other 7 works of Abhidhamma Pitaka, which most scholars agree that don't represent the words of Buddha himself. So वो जब निकल कर आया Dhamma and principles and all, it looks like that it is not the discourses of Buddha. Understood? So I say, and the most scholars agree that don't represent the words of Buddha. These 7 books are, which are that? I said that Dhamma Sangani, yes, Dhamma Sangani, Vibhanga, Dhattu Katha, and then I said that Pagla Panati, Kathavattu, Yamka, Pathana. केवल इतना ही आप इसमें याद रखेंगे for you, this much is required for you. So उसमें yes, Pagla Panati is related to Sutta Pitaka. ओ यहाँ पर कुछ ऐसा लिखा रहेगा, बस आपको Pagla and then matching. Which of the options are matching? A, B, C, D. बस क्लियर है. यहाँ पे A, B, C, D और यहाँ पर कौन किससे मैच कर रहा है वो, which is the correct one. Simple. These things will come in exam. ज़्यादा एंट्री नहीं लूँगा मैं. ये अशोक नागार्जुन लोगों ने important Buddhist writers हैं that you can do. Which are the 4 Buddhist councils we have seen? First it is राजगीर में हुआ, that is in the Patna itself. राजगीर जो पटना के पास है, पहले क्या था? Who is the capital first? राजगीर. Thereafter I said that Patliputra. Thereafter it has been later on shifted to the Vaishali. And I said that Ajasatru. उस समय there are the 2 persons we can be able to see. One person देखते हैं हम लोग, Upali, recited Vinaya Pitaka, recited, and which contain the rules for the Buddhist order. किसके लिए था ये rules? किसके लिए था? Just tell me. संघा. किसके लिए था? कि संघ के लिए क्या rules होगा? What will be the rules for the संघा? What will be the rules for संघा? And contain the rules for the Buddhist order. And Ananda, the other discipline, Buddha recited which one? Sutta Pitaka. So which are that? I said that Upali and Ananda. Who has at the time of death of who is Ananda? Yes, and he asked that कि आपको क्या आपके honored body should be done with this. Yes, and इन्होंने बोला था कि at that you have to make stupas and it should be divided into 8. Understood? So I said that Upali recited, I said Vinaya Pitaka. Yes, और पाली से उपाली, you can remember I said that Ananda, it is an I said Sutta Pitaka, and जो Abhidhamma Pitaka is correct words, or it has been upbramsa kind of, it has been broken, it is not the real words of Buddha and all, his disciple Bodhisattva. It is not the real. Great disciple कहने का मतलब क्या है? Who is the great disciples? Bodhisattvas. And if the Buddha is not in a Buddha, Gautam Buddha, Buddha is all Buddha, those who are what is in a Bodhisattvas. Understood? So, and Buddha means itself enlightenment. It is not like the Jaina and all. So, आपको Tirthankar and it is said, and therefore it is not able to grow. I have said that Jainism. Buddha recited, I said that, and then the discipline and the other discipline of Buddha. Ananda, the other discipline of the disciple of Buddha, recited Sutta Pitaka, and then containing the great collection of Buddha's sermons and the matters of doctrines and ethical beliefs. The Sutta Pitaka में so many formulas. How many formulas? More than 10,000. और उसको किसने याद किया? Ananda ने. Clear? And thereafter we have seen there is a second Buddhist council. And ये कब हुआ? It is in the what? Kala Ashok. And then I said that I said that Vaishali. कब हुआ था? इस समय में आपको पता होगा कि there is a Shishunag has been shifted north of, कहाँ पे? North of Ganga in the Vajji, Vaishali. And then Kalashok, and a spirit of Buddhist order into Theravadins, and then Mahasangika over a small point of what? Monastic discipline. Clear? And thereafter I said that Patliputra, which one I said the third Buddhist council Patliputra में हुआ, and यहाँ पर मोगली चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, वहाँ पर वो थे अशोका के समय, अशोका से खेल रहे अशोका के साथ मोगली पुत्र तिस्स, एंड यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? थेरावड़ा हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड. थर्ड बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल आते आते क्या बन गया? थेरावड़ा हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड. एंड ये कहाँ पे रहे? इट इज इन अ ग्रुप ऑफ एल्डर्स एंड इट हैज बीन शिफ्टेड टू साउथ ईस्ट. इट हैज बीन शिफ्टेड टू साउथ ईस्ट. एंड देन फोर्थ बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल में द फेमस इट इज इन अश्वघोषा, एंड देन वासुमित्र was there, Kanishka, and in the Kundal one in Kashmir, and it has been divided into Mahayana and Hinayana. ये तो आपको दिमाग में है. फर्स्ट में क्या हुआ था? बुक्स कन्वर्जन स्टार्ट हुआ, एंड हु वर द उपाली ने क्या किया था? विनय पिटाका, आनंदा, सुत्त पिटाका, एंड दे हैव रिसाइटेड, एंड देयर आफ्टर इट वाज कन्वर्टेड इनटू बुक्स, जो बुक्स लिख रहे हैं. एंड देयर आफ्टर आई सेड दैट हमने क्या देखा? एंड देन फर्स्ट बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल कब हुआ था? 483 BC, एंड हु वाज देयर? अजात शत्रु. सेकंड बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल 383 BC, एंड हु वाज देयर? कालाशोक. एंड इसी समय सेकंड बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल में व्हाट इज ना थेरावड़ा एंड महासंगिका. एंड देन थर्ड बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल 250 BC, अशोका, एंड मोगली चड्डी पहन के फूल खिलाया, मोगली पुत्र तिश्य. इस वर देयर establishment of Star Vidoda school and orthodox, that is in Patliputra, Patna में. Means जो generally लोग सभी को follow करें उसको known as, everyone follows and accept it, is known as the orthodox. And then I said that Kanishka and then Mahayana and Hinayana. इसमें कई चीजें पहले से बताते आ रहा हूँ, you must be remembering. Spread of Buddhism, and everywhere the Buddhism has been able to spread. And which language they have utilized? Pali. And they have utilized the language of Pali for the people, and contributed to the spread of Buddhism. It facilitated the spread of Buddhism doctrines among the common people. Pali की वजह से. And Gautam Buddha also organized Sangha for the religious order. अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ आपको क्या लग रहा था? If I am talking about these are the rules for Vinay Pitaka is for the rules for the discipline, the rules of discipline, and that is in a disciplines books. तो क्या लग रहा है उसका संघ एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कैसा था? साइंटिफिक और एमी था. तो which will grow? Jaina will grow or Buddhism will grow? Understood it? So I said that therefore the Buddhism has been able to grow. I said that Gautam Buddha also organized the Sangha for religious order whose doors were open to everybody irrespective of the caste and sex. And 200 years after the death of Buddha, the famous Maurya king Asoka embraced Buddhism, and then through their the agents, Asoka spread Buddhism into Central Asia. Central Asia कौन-कौन से? Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, and Pakistan. These are the अचानक लाइट आई तो एक बच्चा डर गया था। So I said that 200 years after the death of Buddha, the famous Maurya king Asoka is embraced, and kahan spread kiya? Central Asia and West Asia. Even that you can be able to see Afghanistan towards Persia, but it is then able to spread up to only Iran, but not furthermore. And then in the Sri Lanka, Ceylon, you know that. And the Sri Lanka वाले कहाँ आते थे काम करने के लिए? अमरावती. Sri Lanka wale people are coming. Amravati school जब स्तूपा बन रहा था, Amravati, and there is two stupas are there, Amravati and Nagarjun Konda. And I said that Sri Lanka and thus transform into the world religion.